Welcome to my Algebra 2 course. This is my very first video of Algebra 2. So, this lesson deals with real numbers. The objective is to familiarize students of the subsets of real numbers and review their properties. So, answer the three following questions. Pause if you need to. Okay, so write down one example on each of the following: a fraction, a decimal, an integer, and a square root. So a fraction looks like this: 2/5. A decimal looks like this: an integer is pi with 3.1415. And a square root. This is a square root. Square root of 24. So, do you remember the order of operations from another class? What is it? So, the order of operations, so we're going to start off with parentheses because that's what we do, which is our first step. Our second step is exponents, which we don't normally use for 6th and 7th grades. So, third step, which I basically refer to, is multiplication and division. So if there's any multiplication in a problem, you have to divide. If there's a division problem, like 1/3, you always divide the denominator. And then fourth steps are basically addition and subtraction, because first I normally add, then I subtract. So if you see a positive, you subtract it. If you see a negative, then you add. This is basically how it works for order of operations. There are several types of real numbers. You're probably familiar with fractions, decimals, integers, whole numbers, and even square roots. All of these types of real numbers are whole numbers. So, here's a matching activity. That would like your class to do. So, match these 9 examples to 5 categories: whole numbers, integers, square roots, fractions, or decimals. Pause if we need to. Okay, so 5.67 is a decimal because it's 5 and 67/100ths. Square roots of -6 and 16 are both square roots. 9/5 and 6/9 are both fractions, and 0, 4 are both whole numbers. Pi and -75 are both integers. -75 can count as a whole number, but it's not actually a whole number. So, plot 1.25, 7/2, and 2 square root of 6 on a number line. So compare all to decimals. So 1.25, 7/2, which is equal to 3.5, and 2 square root of 6 is approximately equal to 4.9. It's approximately equal to 4.899. So, with 3/4, 1.23, square root of 2, 2/3, 1, and 8/7 from least to greatest. So, here are what they both are equal to. They are equal to. So, 2/3, 3/4, 1, 8/7, 1.23, and square root of 2 is what it technically is in order. So replace the blank between -5/3 blank pi over 2 if less than, greater than, or equal to. So step 1, write both in decimal form. -5/3 equals 1.66, and pi divided by 2 is approximately equal to -1.5708. So this means that pi divided by 2 is a larger number with -1.57079. So this is less than. We're not going to go over reassignment yet. So, we're going to go over the order of operations. Since you all know this already, take a moment to read this. Pause if you need to. Okay, so guidance of properties. So, this is a commutative property. A plus B equals B plus A, AB equals BA. Associative property is A plus B plus C in parentheses equals A plus B in parentheses plus C. A times BC in parentheses is equal to parentheses AB and then C. Identity properties. A plus 0 equals A, 1A equals A. Inverse property. So the example is A plus -A equals 0. And A times 1 divided by A is equal to 1. The distributive property. The example. A times B plus C in parentheses is equal to AB plus AC. So, identify the property used in the equations below. I'm going to give you a moment to work on that. Okay. So, number 1 is part of the distribution property. Number 2 is part of the inverse property. And number 3 is part of the associative property. 1 and 2 have properties from slide 15, and number 3 has a property that's from slide 14. Okay, so solve 2 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 5 minus 1 in parentheses. Okay, so step 1, we're going to do the parentheses. So 2 squared plus 6 times 3 minus 4. Step 2 is the exponents. So 2 squared is equal to 4. So it's 4 plus 6 times 3 minus 4. Step 3, we multiply or divide. So 6 times 3 is 18. We have 4 plus 18 minus 4. Then the final step, step 4, is addition and subtraction. So 4 plus 18 is 22, minus 4 is 18. So, solve side number 1. 9 minus 4 divided by 2 plus 13. So, step 1. We're going to multiply or divide. 9 minus 2 is 7 plus 13. So, I'm going to rewrite this here. 7 plus 13. Do you know what 7? Okay. What's 7 plus 13? Correct. It's 20. So, we're going to have 20. So, the exponent. Okay, so step 1. Okay. So, sorry. We're gonna solve side 2. So, step 1, we're gonna do the exponents. So, 2 squared. 2 times 2 is 4. And then step 2, we're gonna multiply or divide. In that case, it's 12 minus 7. And therefore, we're going to subtract. So 12 minus 7 equals 5. So what number can two numbers, 20 and 5, go for? Here are the divisibles. So 20 divided by 1 is 20. And 20 divided by 2 is 10. 20 divided by 3 is 6.6666666666666. Therefore, I'm repeating it. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. So here you have it. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So here are your assignments. So assignment for 1-1-1-1A. Oh, I missed it. So guided practice from 1 to 2 on CK12 textbooks. And gotta practice 1 to 2. Problem set 1 to 20. So CK12 Algebra 2 with Trigonometry. So thanks for watching this video if you're an Algebra 2 or if you're an Algebra 2 student. So our next video, which I'll make a PowerPoint, which I'll continue this PowerPoint. So 1-2, simplifying algebraic expressions and equations. That's what we will go through the next time that we meet. So thanks for watching this video and like and subscribe.